Okay, so do you guys know that feeling when you're laying in bed, you're super exhausted, you just want to sleep, but your mind just won't let up? That's not just anxiety. It's a literal switch in your body, and today I'm going to show you how it works. So, your nervous system is basically your body's command center, and it splits into two main branches. Your central nervous system, which is your brain, your spinal cord, everything that runs through the middle. It gives off signals and it receives signals and processes the signals. The second branch is everything else. It's basically the wires that send signals out to the rest of the body and the wires that bring everything back to the middle. That is your peripheral nervous system. That is the root. Now, this is where it gets interesting and, as a bio major, kind of confusing. So the second branch, the wiring, that's where it branches off into two other branches. That is your somatic nervous system and your autonomic nervous system. Your somatic nervous system is the stuff that you are conscious of, the stuff that you can control. Let's say you want to pick up this bottle and you pick it up. You want to walk across the room and you can walk across the room. That's your somatic nervous system. You're in the driver's seat. Your autonomic nervous system, that's the stuff that just happens automatically without you having to think about it. It's basically the stuff that your body does to keep you alive. Think of your heart beating, your gut digesting food. That is all autonomic stuff that you don't have to really think about. Okay, so this is where it gets even more confusing. That autonomic branch, it branches off into two other branches. This is the main branch that's running your life, and you don't even know it. So you have your sympathetic nervous system and your parasympathetic nervous system. Your sympathetic nervous system, think of it as the gas pedal. It pushes down, it puts you into a fight, flight, or freeze mode. It's the reason that your heart starts to race when you're about to take a really big test that you have been super nervous about. Then we have your parasympathetic nervous system. That's basically the brake pedal to the sympathetic system. This is your rest, digest, and repair system. This is the reason why you are able to fall asleep or the reason why you are able to digest food. But here's the thing that nobody likes to talk about. If you've been stressed for months, for years, or even your whole life, that gas pedal can get stuck in a down position and your body forgets how to brake. These two systems work like a teeter-totter. If the parasympathetic nervous system is higher, then the sympathetic nervous system is lower. If the sympathetic system is higher, then the parasympathetic is lower. It's a balancing act that our body goes through every day. So this is basically the root of what we do here at Church of Herbalism. We help you understand your body, God's creation, and how it works with other of God's creation.
This is the beginning of a series where we will be breaking down how the nervous system works
and how herbs communicate with the nervous system. God made us so perfect, and He made our bodies in such a way to receive these beautiful signals from our plant friends.
For the prophet Ezekiel says that the fruits will be used for food and the leaves for healing.